The dogs even, they feel what we feel, because it is a part of our life.
Oh, I think it does change the mood, yes. It's something to look forward to, you know. I look forward to seeing them every week.
Our main aim of this program for the Delta therapy is to bring our family and residents together.
Bupa homes are different and our residents are different. For us is to ensure that we provide the right service and the right care for our residents and be unique about how we provide those care. One of these initiatives are bringing dog therapy into our homes.
If they're not feeling well in the morning, by the time the dog therapy's gone, they're smiling. It's brought them out talking more, communicating more. Where they didn't find anything to communicate with, the dogs have actually brought something in common with everybody.
We look so much forward to seeing them when they come. We're so happy to see them.